Welcome to the Homework Guidance series provided to you by Sustainable Studies. In this video, we will help you prepare the answer to the prompt. Describe what sustainability means to you.
Identifying and describing your own perspective on sustainability might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's how you can do it. Let's discuss how you can identify and describe your individual perspectives on sustainability, even if you're not exactly sure what sustainability is yet. First off, think about your daily life and what matters to you. Maybe you're into recycling and reducing waste because you care about the environment. Or perhaps you're passionate about social justice and want to ensure everyone has access to fair opportunities. These are all aspects of sustainability. Next, consider what issues or causes you feel strongly about. It could be anything from climate change and renewable energy to social inequality and community resilience. Your perspective on sustainability is shaped by what you value and what you want to see changed or improved in the world. Now, let's get personal. Take some time to reflect on your own experiences, beliefs, and interests. Maybe you grew up in a family that prioritized conservation, and that influenced your views on sustainability. Or maybe you've traveled to different parts of the world and seen firsthand the impact of environmental degradation or social injustice. Here's an example. Let's say you're really into fashion. You might start thinking about sustainability in terms of ethical clothing production, fair labor practices, and reducing textile waste. Your perspective on sustainability could revolve around promoting eco-friendly fashion choices and supporting brands that value sustainability. So, remember, your perspective on sustainability is all about what you care about and what you want to see changed. Take some time to reflect on your values, experiences, and interests. Here are some key points to reflect on in order to describe what sustainability means to you. Number 1. Reflect on your values. Take some time to think about what's important to you. Are you passionate about protecting the environment, ensuring social justice, or maybe promoting economic prosperity? Your values can give you clues about your perspective on sustainability. Number 2. Consider your experiences. Think about your life experiences and how they've shaped your views on sustainability. Have you volunteered for environmental projects, traveled to different communities, or taken courses related to sustainability? These experiences can offer insights into your perspective. Number 3. Ask yourself questions. Ask yourself some questions to help clarify your perspective. What do you believe are the most pressing sustainability issues? What actions do you think are necessary to address them? How do you see yourself contributing to sustainability efforts? Number 4. Explore different perspectives. Keep an open mind and explore different perspectives on sustainability. Read articles, watch documentaries, and engage in discussions with people you know. Hearing diverse viewpoints can help you refine and expand your own perspective. Remember, your perspective on sustainability is unique to you, and it may evolve over time as you learn and grow.
Thanks for watching this video. By liking this video and subscribing to the channel, you have the power to support students who are passionate about sustainability and help them achieve their goals. Your small action can make a big impact in their lives and pave the way for a brighter, greener future for all.